Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leah if you did not know already. Sorry. And today I'm coming to you guys with a skincare routine. Now this skincare routine is full of like sample size stuff because I'm not gonna lie, I do have a lot of samples. My skincare routine isn't like difficult, but I haven't bought all the full-size products, and some full-size products that I do have are from me like just constantly getting a sample and using it and making sure that I really like it, because sometimes you have to like date the product before you marry it, you know, before you spend your money on it. So you know, I'm just gonna give you an idea of, you know, samples you guys should go out and get. And don't be afraid to really go to like Sephora or any kind of like cosmetic counter and get samples, because like, I mean, who got money to buy all that high ass shit? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, and share it if you found it helpful. And yeah, so let's just get right into the video. Okay, so first, you know, we're gonna wet our face. Wait, I forgot a step I wanted to do. So sometimes in my skincare routines, wait, hold on. Did y'all like the spray bottle? That was fancy, right? I know. Okay, so sometimes I like to exfoliate my lips because, like, since it's colder outside sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, my lips can be a little rusty. And then if I want to wear liquid lipsticks, you know, this is something good to do before you put on your liquid lipstick. If you feel like your liquid lipstick dries your lips out and you want them to be like more plumped and more exfoliated and won't have so many lines when you put on your liquid lipstick, it's to exfoliate your lips. So this is something that I made. It's sugar and honey, so it's a lip scrub. If you go to, like, I know MAC has one, I think Victoria's Secret has one. A lot of people, a lot of lines have lip scrubs, and like they all taste sweet and stuff. Like, so I'm just like, I can make this at home. So you use sugar and honey. Sugar, you know, is like the exfoliator, the grain, and the honey is what's gonna make it stick together and feel kind of like a lip balm. So yeah, so I like to exfoliate my lips sometimes, you know, when I do my skincare, because I don't want chapped ass lips. So this has become like my favorite cleanser of all time. I probably had like 3 samples of this stuff, and I was like, oh, I have to get the full size bottle, like I have to buy it. So this is the Purity Foaming Cleanser. No, this is not foaming. This is the Purity Gel Facial and Eye Cleanser. You can also use this to remove your makeup, but I don't really like to remove my makeup with this. I prefer to use my MAC makeup wipes. These are really good. These are $30, but you get 100 wipes. And I had like one of the coupons to like get $25 off if you shop at certain places, and I got these for $5. So these are really nice wipes, and it's 100 of them. So even if you spent the $30, you have 100 wipes. Like, that's really clutch, and you only need one to take off your entire face, like, honestly. But you can use this as a makeup remover, but I don't. I just like to use it as a cleanser because it's really nice as a cleanser. So I like to just go in circular motions. I still use my hand to cleanse my face. Move my braids out the way. I want, you know, one of those spin brushes, but I mean, my face feels pretty clean once I use just my hands and the products that I use to like remove makeup. So while I'm cleansing my face, I also like to exfoliate every now and then. I exfoliate maybe 2 to 3 times a week, but I don't exfoliate every day because I find that it does dry out my skin. But I am using another Philosophy product. This is a sample size. I'm using the Philosophy Microdelivery Exfoliating Wash, and I personally don't like this as just a wash by itself. I like to add this to the cleanser that I'm already using right now. I don't like to use this as a cleanser by itself. I like to add it to my cleanser that I'm already using, which is, you know, the Purity one, the gel one, because I feel like by itself it doesn't really do well as far as cleansing, but when I add these two together, my skin gets like super squeaky clean. Okay, so after I rinse that off, I wouldn't say my skin is like dry, but I can tell that there's like no dirt and oil in it. Like, I can't like smoothly go down my face because there's nothing like keeping it. There's no oil or anything keeping it, which is a good thing. So now we're going to add that moisture back into our skin. So I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum, and this is what it looks like. I know the light may kind of throw it off a little bit, but this is what it looks like. It's a brown and gold bottle, and this is a good, let me back it up. Before I put on my serum, I'm going to do a mask. So this is the Glam Glow. This is the blue mask. This is the Thirsty Mud, which is a hydrating mask. And I'm really like into hydrating my skin now. I love anything that says hydrating this, hydrating that, except for like foundation. But I love hydrating skin products because I feel like I have oily skin, but the more I take care of my face and the more I make sure that I'm hydrated, my oil control is a lot easier because my skin isn't working hard to like add that moisture back into my skin because I'm doing it myself. I'm actively doing it myself. Like I'm actively drinking my water. I'm actively taking care of my skin. So that is why I feel like I have better oil control. But this is like I've had this sample a couple of times. I never bought the big bottle, but if I ever feel like I want to buy the big bottle, then I will, because it is a really nice mask. As you see, it's coming on like clear, but it's a hydrating mask, and you're gonna leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so now that I have went ahead and rinsed that off, I'm gonna go ahead and go with my serum. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. I have a sample of these. And this is a really nice serum. This is just for all over like health of the skin. It's going to help with redness, discoloration, hydration, just everything you need for your skin. So this is the serum that I use. I definitely advise you guys to go get a sample of this because this shit is expensive. I don't know how much the full size bottle is, but I know I do know that it's very expensive. So, you know, if you're trying to be luxury or whatever, you know, you don't gotta buy it. You can just get the sample and you can be luxury, bitch. Okay. And these are the products that I've been using, and I feel like that I've really seen a change in my skin. Especially, I see the change in my skin when I have on makeup. Like, I see it now, but of course my skin isn't perfect. No one's skin is like perfect without makeup on, but I can definitely see the benefits of what I'm doing through my makeup. So I really do appreciate this stuff. So the next thing I'm going to use is the eye cream. I don't have bags, but I do have like discoloration right here, and I want my skin to look as good as possible. So I use the Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream, and it looks like this. Well, it's really not a cream, it's more of an eye like gel. That's what the texture is. So this is the eye cream that I use, and you only need a little bit. Like, I honestly don't know when I'm gonna run out of this sample because it's a pretty big sample, and you know you don't need a lot because you're not supposed to put anything like heavy right up in here. But yeah, I've been using this for about a week or two. I say I've been consecutively using it for like 2 weeks, and I don't see a huge difference, but I do see a difference. So maybe it's not a product that like is gonna happen really quick, but it is a product that I do see working. It's not as dark down here because you see this dent. This used to be kind of dark, but now it's just a dent and it's not as dark. So I'm waiting for it to like move up here in this area. So last thing I'm going to use is a moisturizer. This is my favorite thing out of my whole skincare line, which is my moisturizer. I've actually got a compliment of this girl saying that I looked super hydrated when I had on a full face of makeup, and I was like, it has to be this moisturizer. I use this every single day. Well, I use my cleanser. Like, I wash my face every day, but I don't always do everything every single day because I'm a little lazy. But I use this every single day. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge Hydrating Supercharge Gel Moisturizer, and it is the freaking bomb. I like the bottle. I love the way it feels. I don't know if it smells good, but this is my favorite thing out of the entire skincare stuff that I've used is this. So I use 2 pumps because that's all you need. Rub it, and then I take it and I put it all over my face. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much it for my skincare routine. If you found this helpful, please let me know. All of the products that I use will be down in the description box because I know I can talk kind of fast, so I don't know if you guys caught everything that I used, but yeah, I will list them all down there for you. If you, like I said, if you found this video helpful, please let me know, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you feel like my skin looks nice, don't forget to give me a thumbs up for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.